Okay ra ka, uy?
Oo, uy. Sa youth catechism ug sa mga exorcism, naanad naman ko masudlan og demonyo. Haha, pero mapuli raman si Jesus.
Mag-uol man ko kung unsa kong buhaton.
Partners ra bata sa lay ministry. Masudlan na sad ko kung di ka mahimutang.
I know that there are a lot of paths to achieve something. Most people kay concerned kayo sa ilang party ilang ibutaran. Either kini siya or kana siya. Either bulay og ang president or dapat na mag-martial law. I know also that there even is a cure to cancer, or at least some antioxidants that exist na makaayo sa cells. They're herbal, but dapat tarungsad sila. You can't use them always, and best nga higayon in using alternative medicine is consulting your doctor.
I have the right to tell others what I know.
Saba diha. Wa kay gibutaran presidente last election. Tabla ra kas mga tawo nga way pakialam.
I did vote, pero wala ko'y gisip-sip or gisimba ka kandidato. In the same way, wa ko'y gidayo nga mga alternative medicines. Even though I know that it helps a lot of people.
Animal ning bayhana. Boniface!
Name calling is exactly what you resort to. Parehara sa mga bata-bata nimo. Nahilig mo daot og isang kinsa. I am here to avoid excessive partisan thinking.
Unsay man ibuhay?
If I don't entertain you with my thoughts, you can't bother me. I stare at you in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, para makonsult ka. I understand that it is a fantasy to engage in only in two choices, kini or kana, na ay middle ground. If di ka ganahan of alternative medicine, it's possible na turn off ra ka, because they are sold through network marketing companies. But I tell you, the basis of that is good food. Fruits can really heal you as a person.